Let me show you how to turn off read receipts on TikTok. Now, if you're on TikTok and you don't want anyone else to know when you have seen or read their message, I'll walk you through those steps on an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android as well. So let's get to your settings. So let me just go back out here and tap on profile at the very bottom right, and then those three lines at the very top right. Now they constantly move this around. Currently, we need to get into the settings, and you can see under the account section, let's choose the second option called privacy. Now within here, you can see activity status, which will allow other people to see when you're online, but not necessarily the same as a read receipt for a message. To turn off those read receipts, let's tap on direct messages and then read status. People can see when you have read their message. You can just toggle this off. Keep in mind, when you do turn this off, it turns it off across all of your messages across the entire TikTok platform. Hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you have any questions.